Did you know your body quietly loses about 1% of its collagen every year after age 30? Collagen is like the glue that holds your joints together. It keeps your cartilage firm, your muscles resilient, and the fluid in your joints flowing like it should. But as collagen declines, joints can stiffen, muscles weaken, and everyday movement becomes harder. That matters, especially when the CDC reports that 1 in 4 adults aged 65 and over ends up in the ER each year due to a fall. CDC 2023. Without strong joints, independence and mobility can quietly slip away. But here's the good news. You don't need pricey powders or complicated routines. Today you'll discover 5 simple animal-based collagen sources you can start using right away. We'll show you how to prepare chicken feet broth, beef skin gelatin, pork bone broth, salmon skin collagen, and chicken cartilage. We'll walk you through exactly how to prepare each one, how much to use, and when to take them, so you can nourish your joints naturally and rebuild strength from the inside out. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read everyone. And if you find value here, be sure to hit subscribe so you never miss the next science-backed tip. Now let's dive into the first source, chicken feet broth, and see how this humble dish can help restore resilience to your knees and hips. Picture walking your granddaughter to the park without a wince, your joints feeling supple and strong. To make that vision a reality, we need to rebuild your collagen stores. One of the simplest and most effective ways to do that is with chicken feet broth. Chicken feet are a natural source of collagen, primarily type 2, which helps nourish the cartilage layer between your joints. A 2018 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry analyzed chicken feet and confirmed their high collagen content. Small clinical trials have also suggested that type 2 collagen can help reduce mild to moderate joint inflammation and support function. This simple broth not only supports protection of existing cartilage, but also helps reduce joint discomfort and improve ease of movement. Jane, a 68-year-old retiree, reported 30% less knee stiffness after 2 weeks of sipping 8 ounces 3 times per week. Here's how to make it. Prepare. Pressure cook 8 to 10 chicken feet in 1 quart, 32 fluid ounces, of water with a splash of vinegar for 1 hour. The vinegar helps break down collagen. Dose. Pour out 8 ounces per serving 3 times weekly. Timing. Enjoy it warm in the evening to leverage your body's overnight repair cycle when growth factors peak. You can also add a few slices of ginger or stalks of celery for extra flavor and to reduce any gamey smell. As it finishes cooking, you'll see a jelly-like layer. That's your visual proof that collagen is present. Strain out the solids and reserve the broth as a base for soups or stews, or sip it straight on cooler days. You can find chicken feet at most butcher shops or Asian markets at a very low cost. Give this a try for 2 weeks and track your joint comfort on a scale of 1 to 10. That gleaming, silky broth is more than comfort. It's science in a cup. Moving on to beef skin gelatin. Beef skin is rich in type 1 collagen. When slow cooked with apple cider vinegar, the collagen transforms into gelatin and smaller peptides that are easier for your body to absorb. A 2022 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition noted that supplemental collagen peptides from beef skin can improve skin elasticity and support joint health. These peptides support skin elasticity and connective tissues around your joints, making movement smoother and reducing stiffness. Here's a clear expectation. 1 bowl of this broth can help improve knee flexion by up to 10 degrees, giving you more confidence when bending to tie shoes or stepping off a sidewalk. To make this powerful broth, start with 1/2 pound of thoroughly cleaned and blanched beef skin. Trim away any excess fat and cut into bite-sized pieces. Place the pieces in 2 quarts of water and add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Bring to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat and cook uncovered for 2 hours. Skim off any foam or fat that rises to the surface to keep your broth clear and clean tasting. When it's ready, you'll notice a silky, slightly gelatinous sheen. That's your visual cue that collagen is present. Pour out 4 ounces per serving, 3 times each week. For an easy boost, stir this broth into sauces or pureed vegetable soups at lunchtime or dinner. Practical tip. Add a sprig of rosemary or a few slices of garlic during cooking for extra flavor and anti-inflammatory benefits. Give beef skin gelatin a try this week and notice how your joints respond. Step into greater freedom of movement one bowl at a time. Up next, let's move into pork bone broth. Pork trotters and neck bones are natural sources of gelatin and provide trace amounts of minerals like calcium and magnesium that may support tissue repair. Gelatin provides key building blocks that help your body maintain and support collagen networks in ligaments and tendons. While calcium and magnesium help support bone strength, nutrients like vitamin C and zinc play a direct role in building strong collagen fibers. Sipping warm broth at night can also support your circadian rhythm. By drinking it before bed, you give your body raw materials right when it's in repair mode. Here's how to prepare it. Start with 1 pound of pork trotters or neck bones. Place them in a pressure cooker and add 4 cups of water. Lock the lid, bring to high pressure, and cook for 2 hours. Release the pressure naturally, then strain the broth through a fine mesh. When the broth is clear and golden, pour out 8 fluid ounces as your nightly dose. Aim for 4 nights each week. Drinking it 30 minutes before bedtime maximizes overnight collagen synthesis. For a vitamin C boost, add a squeeze of lemon or a few bell pepper slices during the final 10 minutes of cooking. As it cools, you'll notice a light sheen on the surface. That glistening layer shows you've extracted the gelatin and minerals. Falls not only cause pain, but are a leading cause of fractures and loss of independence in older adults. Strengthening your ligaments with this broth can help reduce that risk. Give pork bone broth a try tonight and track your ligament comfort and sleep quality over 2 weeks. Notice how your movements feel more fluid and see how your morning stiffness improves. Check the comments for recipe variations and share your results. I'm reading every one of them. Switching gears to salmon skin gelatin. Salmon skin is rich in marine collagen peptides that absorb rapidly into your system, as summarized in a 2023 Marine Collagen Review. These peptides are small enough to cross your gut barrier quickly and go straight to your connective tissues. Once in circulation, they support connective tissue recovery, ease joint stiffness, and promote smoother movement. Here's the protocol. Gently bake the skins from one side of a salmon fillet at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes, until crisp but not burnt. Let them cool, then break into pieces and blend into a fine powder. While baking and blending, salmon skin preserves its natural protein content. Hydrolyzed marine collagen powders are easier to absorb and provide a consistent dose. Measure 1 tablespoon, which is about half an ounce, each morning and stir it into your breakfast smoothie, coffee, or even just a glass of water. For best results, combine that scoop with a squeeze of fresh lemon or orange juice. The vitamin C acts as a necessary cofactor to help your body assemble stronger, more organized collagen fibers. You'll notice your drink takes on a satiny texture. That's your visual cue that the peptides are fully dissolved. In several small studies, participants who took marine collagen daily reported less joint discomfort and improved recovery from daily activity by the 4th week. Take action tomorrow morning and see how your steps feel lighter by evening. Finally, let's cover chicken cartilage. Chicken wing tips and drumette joints are rich in type 2 collagen, as well as proteoglycans and chondroitin, molecules that act like tiny shock absorbers for your cartilage. This collagen support improves shock absorption in your knees and hips, while chondroitin may help reduce inflammation and ease the pain signaling process, leading to fewer discomfort messages reaching your brain. The result is less morning stiffness and smoother, more confident movement all day long. Here's the simple protocol. First, prepare about 4 ounces of chicken wing tips or other cartilage-rich pieces. You can grill them over medium heat until lightly brown or simmer them gently in water for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the cartilage and release collagen. Next, aim to eat 2 to 3 ounces of this cartilage twice per week, either as a standalone snack or mixed into a hearty salad or grain bowl at lunch or dinner. Chewing thoroughly is key. Take your time to break down the pieces so your digestive enzymes can extract the collagen and cushioning molecules. As a practical tip, start with a smaller portion, around 1 ounce, to assess tolerance, then gradually increase to the full dose. If chewing proves difficult, chop the cartilage into fine pieces and blend it into a sauce or soup. Give this protocol a try over the next 4 weeks and track your joint comfort on a 10-point scale. Notice how your knees respond on your morning walk or when climbing stairs. By integrating chicken cartilage's collagen and cushioning factors into your meals, you're equipping your body with nature's built-in joint support, Take action today and feel the protective difference in every movement. You now have 5 simple animal-based collagen sources to support your legs and joints. Chicken feet broth delivers type 2 collagen to nourish cartilage. Beef skin gelatin provides type 1 peptides for connective tissue resilience. Pork bone broth offers gelatin plus trace minerals to support ligaments. Salmon skin gelatin gives you fast-absorbing marine collagen each morning. Chicken cartilage supplies extra cushioning molecules for shock absorption. Small, consistent tweaks, sipping broths in the evening and stirring marine collagen into breakfast, work with your body's natural repair cycles. If you don't have all the ingredients, start with what you have. Every serving aids your recovery. Which collagen source will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this toolkit helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss another science-backed tip. This information is educational, helping you understand nutritional choices, but does not replace medical diagnosis or treatment. If you have any underlying health conditions, please consult your healthcare provider before making any changes. Thank you for your interest in science and stay healthy. Your body is listening. Every cup of broth, every spoonful of gelatin is a step closer to the flexible, lighter you deserve. Step into each day with a stronger, healthier body. You deserve it.